Guys, you know we're the kings and queens of mimosas. So this is the raspberry mimosa. Raspberries in our glass. Come behind that with some simple syrup. Muddle that bad boy. And then we can drop in some ice. Once we're done muddling, after the ice, we can add some orange juice. Now, a typical mimosa is just champagne and orange juice, pretty much equal parts, okay? But on Tipsy Bartender, we have tons of recipes where we show you variations of mimosas so you can have more fun at brunch. All right, so we pour in that mix and then we come behind that and we top it with champagne. Like literally on tipsybartender.com, we have about, I don't know, dude, at least like 40 mimosas, somewhere in that vicinity. So you could have a different mimosa at brunch for the rest of the year easily on us, all right? So for all your drinking needs, you know how to find us. That's Brittany Sippin', and it's a delicious mimosa because you have regular and you have that raspberry infusion.